Hi everyone, it's Shirley with Green Hills Guitar Studio, and if you've ever felt like you have trouble staying on pitch, then this video is for you. Oftentimes our struggle with pitch can be a result of insufficient support, tension, making it hard for our voice to move freely and access the notes that we're trying to sing. So we're going to do a quick, easy exercise using a cup of water and a straw. This tool is going to help our vocal folds move more efficiently. It's going to help with our breath control and help restore balance to our voice and find the release that we need to hit the notes that we want. And my cup is about half full, and I'm holding the straw about halfway in that water. And I'm going to sing it first with the straw on just a simple descending scale. I'm going to find the balance I need to free up my voice, and then I'm going to sing that same scale on a mum and try carrying over that same balance as I open up. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. Mum, 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 mum. You can also use this tool with any melody that might be giving you trouble. I'll give a little example using Vienna by Billy Joel. Slow down, you're doing fine. You can't be everything you wanna be before your time. I'm really trying to carry over the release and the balance that I feel with the straw into the lyrics that I'm singing. If pitch is a struggle, I highly encourage you to give this tool a try and see if it works for you.